Hey class, Mr. Moore here. Hey, you're on break, but that doesn't mean we're not going to learn. All right, so you might be wondering, Mr. Moore, why are you in the woods? Well, that's a good question, because we've been studying chemistry. We're going to take a break. Biomes. That's right, biomes. What is a biome? Well, a biome is a community of plants and animals in a given area. Pretty simple, right? These plants and animals are specially adapted to live in specific biomes. Things like the color of their fur, the color of their skin, whether they have to fly or swim. Yeah, that stuff matters. But why do we even have biomes? Well, we have biomes for that guy right there, the sun. Yep. Earlier this year when we talked about weather and climate and how other parts of the earth get less direct sunlight than we get, well, the result of that is different plants and different animals can live there. That's why when we travel to different parts of the United States, different parts of the world, we see different plants and we see different animals. So we're going to check them out. What are the biomes though? You know, we're used to this biome that we live in here. I'm in a biome right now. Look at me. I'm in a biome. But what do the other biomes look like? What are they? Well, that's a good question. We have the tropical rainforest, the temperate forest, the desert, the tundra, the boreal forest, also known as the taiga, the grasslands, the savanna, freshwater, saltwater, and ice. So, what do I want you to do? Learn about them. Well, how are you going to do that? You're not at school. Well, that's a good question too. You're going to have to do some research. Make me a Google slide. Tell me some things about the biome, like what type of plants live there? What type of animals live there? What's the temperature? What's the climate? And maybe what are some limiting factors? You know, what are limiting factors? I don't know. Maybe how much sun, what type of trees live there, how much food's available, things like that. So after you talk about the temperature, the climate, the plants, the animals, and the limiting factors, you should have a pretty good idea about the biomes. 5 of them. Yeah, there's more than 5. I think 5's a fair number. So choose 5 biomes from across the world. Make me a Google slide. Prove to me that you know something about them. Pretty simple. When you finish, share it with me. I'll give you some feedback. All right, hope to see you guys soon.